If a minimalist went shopping for a pair of jeans, they're most likely coming home with just that pair of jeans. A fashionista, however, Hey there, fashion friends. Today we are talking about minimalists versus fashionistas. First off, I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely hate the word fashionista, but I can't think of a way to describe a person who loves fashion in just one word. Okay, so minimalist versus fashionista. Which one am I? The reason why I am talking about this on today's episode is because I do feel like I touch on both of these counterparts in my videos. So I just think it'd be a great idea to kind of describe both sides and kind of see which one I fit into more. I do just want to say before I get into this that this is just my perspective and my opinion. Definitely not the case for every single person out there that considers themselves a minimalist or a fashionista. If you are one of these, don't get offended that if it doesn't describe you perfectly. Yeah. Anyways, with that, let's get into it. All right, the first one is closet/wardrobe. So a minimalist's wardrobe is going to be a lot more, well, minimal, neutral, and a lot more curated. And what I mean by curated is that everything is very well thought out. Everything kind of circles back to each other. Everything kind of tells a story together. Definitely been intentionally put there. So a fashionista's closet or wardrobe is definitely going to be more full, a wider selection, a lot of different colors, a lot of prints. And this is what I would like to call a little bit more abstract. Like everything's kind of just maybe a little bit more impulsive and colorful and fun, but just might not have as much of a rhyme or reason. Okay, so number 2 is approach. We're gonna look at 3 subcategories to approach. The first one is seasons. The approach to seasons. So for a minimalist, the approach to seasons is basically none at all. They're basically taking the approach of seasonless wardrobe. They try to choose pieces that can literally be worn all year round. As for a fashionista, their approach is to kind of change it up for the new season. With that doesn't necessarily mean that every single fashionista out there is like buying a whole entire new wardrobe for, spring. But I would say that most of them are probably buying a good amount of new pieces for their wardrobe. The next subcategory is trends. So a minimalist's approach to trends is going to be more, again, kind of the same as seasons. They're not really going to go for trends. They're going to choose items that are more timeless and classic. A fashionista's approach to trends is going to be that they're looking for the hottest trend. They're looking for the most current trend that is happening now or is about to happen. The next subcategory is shopping. The minimalist approach to shopping is going to be intentional. They're going to know before they even start shopping, whether it's online, whether it's in a store, they're going to know exactly what they're looking for. A fashionista's approach to shopping is usually, not that they wouldn't have some intention of when they go shopping of what they might want to get, but usually their approach is a lot more impulsive. Okay, so number 3 is style. So minimalist style is going to be very timeless, clean, neutral. Fashionista is going to be very current, very trendy, and kind of what I like to call fashion forward. Okay, the next one is color. So minimalist is going to be neutral. Black, white, gray, cream, maybe some brown, but pretty, yeah. A fashionista is going to have color and prints. Again, this is just kind of a generalization. And number 5, quality. Most of the time, a minimalist's approach to quality is going to be that it's a priority, because I think it's literally like the minimalist mantra that less but better. Now, if you're a fashionista, I don't really think this means that you're not prioritizing quality. That's definitely not what I'm saying. But I do think for the most part is going to prioritize a trend usually over quality. Again, that is not the case for everybody. So yeah, with that, which one am I? Over the years, I've definitely been both of them. definitely in my, younger years, like my early 20s, even my later 20s, fully that fashionista where I was like all about the trend, all about finding like the hottest color, like cobalt blue. I remember there was a season where it was like if something wasn't cobalt blue, no. Oh no, what? Sapphire blue? No. It just, yeah. But anyways, as I got older and kind of, I think, really got to know myself a little bit more and got to know my style a little bit more and really started to just own the fact that I was, more of like just, a basic gal of just wanting to wear a t-shirt and jeans all the time. A lot of the trends I wasn't interested in. I kind of just started to really own my own specific style. However, I will say like that love for fashion and that love for trends and just like that ever-changing sort of, artistic aspect of fashion, there is an appeal to like seeing something new and exciting and different. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I think in the way I shop and like my approach is very minimalistic. I definitely shop with intention. I definitely make sure that I only have a certain amount of items in my wardrobe. But it's not to say that I'm not still a sucker for a good trend or for a good change up. Case in point, one of my previous episodes, how to style bike shorts. I mean, there are still trends and fun things that come up in each season that I'm drawn to. I can then kind of have fun with picking and choosing which little trends I kind of want to sprinkle into my wardrobe. So I guess to sum it all up and answer the question of which one am I, I'm pretty sure you guessed it. I was gonna say I'm a hybrid. The basis of this channel is looking at the quality of fashion. I would say that is my priority. Keeping those sort of priorities for myself is what works for me. So there you have it. I'm a hybrid of a minimalist fashionista. That's who I am. Minimalista. Sorry folks, if you wanted a black and white answer, ultimately what you can take away for the direction of my channel and what is the basis of my episodes is quality. I'm always looking for quality. Whether my minimalist or fashionista side is winning that day, quality is always at the forefront of it. Hopefully you found this episode entertaining, maybe helpful. Maybe it's helping you realize that you live in the gray area as well and, helping you own that. Comment below if you have anything to add here today. If you're a minimalist, if you're a fashionista, if you're a minimalista like me, let me know. I would love to hear from you. Just anything that you have to say on any of these topics. Give me a thumbs up, comment below, share with your friends, subscribe for future weekly episodes. All of that really helps me out as I am starting out as a new channel and I'm trying to break through that YouTube wall. All right, have a fantastic rest of your day. We will be chatting soon. Bye.